Could an airspace dispute spark a flashpoint in the escalating tension between China and Taiwan? To unravel this, we dive into the chronology of events, beginning with the creation of the Air Defense Identification Zone, or ADIZ, to the recent violations. Established in 1954, the ADZ is a buffer that Taiwan uses to identify aircraft, a zone that intriguingly includes airspace over mainland China. However, these incursions do not necessarily mean that mainland China has violated Taiwan's airspace. Instead, they signal that Taiwan's military must respond by tracking these flights and potentially deploying its air force. These actions not only deplete Taiwanese resources, but also provide a testing ground for China to gauge Taiwan's reaction times. Moreover, it has the potential to lull Taiwan's defenses into complacency due to the frequency of the violations. These ADIZ violations are part of what's termed gray zone tactics by China. In the year 2023 alone, China conducted a staggering 1,709 flights that violated Taiwan's ADIZ. But such tactics aren't limited to the ADIZ violations. In an alarming move in early 2023, China's Civil Aviation Administration announced its plans to shift one of its civil aviation routes, M503, eastward, without any agreement or consultation with Taiwan. This decision brings the southbound part of the route to within a mere 4.2 nautical miles away from the median line of the Taiwan Strait, the understood boundary between Taiwan airspace and Chinese airspace. This unilateral decision poses a twofold concern for Taiwan. Firstly, it raises the specter of China using this commercial air route to fly military aircraft perilously close to Taiwan's airspace. Secondly, there's the fear that China might incrementally push this commercial route up to the median line of control, thereby violating Taiwan's sovereignty. This seemingly innocuous movement of a commercial air route is another example of China's gray zone tactics. It puts Taiwan in a delicate position. If Taiwan reacts to civilian incursions in the ADIZ, China could accuse it of endangering commercial aviation. If Taiwan refrains from reacting to avoid conflict, China might seize the opportunity to edge the commercial route closer to the median line of control. In summary, China's aggressive and unlawful maneuvers under the guise of civilian aviation are pushing Taiwan's air defenses into a more cautious stance. The manipulation of commercial aviation to violate Taiwan's airspace not only infringes on Taiwan's sovereignty, but also escalates the tension in the region. The world watches with bated breath as this complex geopolitical dance continues to unfold.